maybe 3 to 4 times a week.
Kasi may tagos. Ayan, no? Buti na lang, naglalagay ako nitong pad.
I just want to make sure that we're not opposed to you guys keeping this.
Shopper. Guys, it's my fault. He used to doesn't like shopping. Now he is worse than me. Nice. Yep, allow that. Actually, he shop like 4 times a week. Okay, I lied. Maybe 3 to 4 times a week. Well, I kind of tell the truth. Sorry. Well, I shop like once a month or twice a month.
Just one milk, right? Half? So guys, maglinis tayo dito sa kwarto ni Inday Victoria kasi it's been a week na ang huli kong linis dito kasi nga busy. Kailangan ko na rin palitan ang bedsheets niya kasi may tagos. Ayan o. So, nagre-reklamo, sabi niya may tagos daw, so kailangan ko daw palitan. So ayan, so clean with me! By the way guys, buti na lang naglalagay ako nitong pad sa bed niya para hindi diretso yung tago sa bed niya at hindi mag-stain. Actually guys, pad ito ng mga aso ko. mag-winter dito sa Germany guys, kaya kailangan kong mag-general cleaning each room para ready na kami sa winter. At isasara namin ng mga bintana, mga rollerdane, para to keep the heat inside the bedroom. Tinatanggal ko na rin itong mga electric fan dito sa room guys. Kasi hindi naman ito kailangan. So, ilalagay natin ito sa attic.